Here's a quick look at the Vintage Coach Zippered Clutch in the color red, style number 9455, and this bag was made in the original New York City factory sometime in the 1980s, I would estimate. And it's in a really beautiful shade of red, as you can see. This bag can be carried as a clutch, like the name suggests, zippered clutch, or it does have a detachable strap, so you could wear it as a shoulder bag as well. So we would just attach the strap here to these side hardware pieces, like that. So here's what it looks like with the strap attached. And it also comes with this matching leather zipper pull, kind of wristlet. So you could carry it like that as a clutch. So anyway, I'll show you. Here's the front of the bag. Here's the side view again. And then here's the back. The front and the back are pretty much identical. And then here's what the bottom looks like. It's got a little split seam here in the center of the bottom of the bag. And it's also got a matching one-sided hang tag. So it says Coach Leatherwear on the front of the hang tag, and then the back is just suede texture here. So it's an older style hang tag. And then it does have a zip top closure. Okay, so now that the packing paper has been removed, here's what the interior of the bag looks like. And it does have a little hanging slip pocket here on the inside of the bag. And that's also, the creed is stamped here on this inside pocket. I'll insert a photo as well so you can see it a little bit better. So that is the zippered clutch. It was also later on referred to, the same style was also called the basic bag, but I believe it was called the zipper clutch in the earlier models. So anyway, that is the zippered clutch. It is available now in our online store, shop.cristinamoda.com. So I will leave a link below to the listing in case you wanted to check it out further. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching and take care.